So a few days ago, I was working on a large TypeScript project when I noticed that my node modules was 252 megabytes in size, and that's a lot because this is only one subdirectory of a large project which contains an API, an app, and a GraphQL package. So I thought that there should be some way in which you can merge all these node modules into one central location, and when I researched about it, I found that there is something you can use called yarn workspaces, but that doesn't really suit my needs because that just works for a new workspace. But I want something which can work centrally across your operating system. So I created a command line tool called Node Library Resolver, or NLR for short. You can install it using this command if you are using npm, or if you are using yarn, you can use it. You can install it using this command. So what this does is that it allows you to install packages globally on your OS, so that you don't have to install them again and again, and you can just import them from that global repository where all the packages are stored on your system. So just let me just show you a demo. If I just make a directory and our demo, I'll cd into it. Let me just open this with Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor that you want. So normally what you would do is that you would initialize a project, and then you would install a library, let's say Chalk. So Chalk is a library that allows you to print colored text to the terminal. So if you wanted to install, you would use it like this. So if you use this method, it will install all the library, one, two, three, four, five, six other libraries, and each of them have so many files. So it's really difficult to manage all of these. You don't need to manage them, but it's very difficult to you know know which module is importing which module, and it becomes a whole net of other modules. So it's really difficult. So let's just delete everything. Great. So now let's install. There's this file. Let me just delete this. Great. So now let's try installing Chalk using NLR. First, we have to install that package globally. Around this command install this package across our operating system. Now let's try adding this to our project NLR. And as you can see, it just added one file, chalk.js, and this is not a very large file. You might think that I just compressed all the code into a single file. It's not that. It just imports the chalk module from a global repository on your system, and then I can use it here like so. It even provides you with all of the auto completion, because if you import it from another file, it usually doesn't provide you auto completion, but this provides you with auto completion. So I think it's green bright, this text. Let's just save that and run it. Yeah, as you can see, it's in green color. Well, it's not exactly in green color because my terminal changes colors. So but in your terminal it should appear in green color if you don't have fish shell installed. Yeah, and as you can see, I can add many other dependencies, like let's say x. Oh yeah, as you can see, yeah, if it's not installed, it will prompt you to install that. So I can just install that globally, and it will install that package on my operating system, and I can add it to many packages and use them. Now I can add this to my project, and I can import. I can initialize an app. Let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it's working, and you can install as many packages as you want, and it will only install a single file for that package, and that's also to just configure the project. So as you can see how easy it is to configure all of your projects and clone them. You can use it to clone also. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.